Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Samsung tablets for gaming that are available on the market for their true quality. These tablets are perfect for those who want a seamless gaming experience without breaking the bank. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Galaxy Tab A9 Wi-Fi only. This budget-friendly tablet is perfect for casual gamers who want portability and decent performance without spending a fortune. It features an 8.7-inch TFT LCD display with a resolution of 800 by 1340 pixels. While the screen resolution isn't the sharpest, it's adequate for casual gaming and streaming. The compact size makes it easy to hold, and the lightweight design ensures you can game for hours without fatigue. Under the hood, it's powered by a 2.2 GHz processor and 4 GB of RAM, which allows it to handle lightweight gaming titles like Minecraft, Candy Crush, and other casual games smoothly. The 64 GB storage is expandable, so you can store plenty of games and apps without worrying about space. Additionally, the 5100 mAh battery supports all-day usage and charges quickly with the included 15 watts fast charger. However, this tablet lacks advanced features like a high refresh rate or Dolby Atmos sound, which limits its appeal for more serious gamers. Overall, the Galaxy Tab A9 Wi-Fi only is a solid starter tablet for gaming, ideal for kids or anyone looking for a secondary device. The main drawbacks are the lower screen resolution and limited features. But for its price, it offers good value for those who prioritize portability and affordability over cutting-edge specs. At number 3, we have the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, a significant upgrade from the A9 models. This tablet boasts an 11-inch TFT LCD display with a 1920 by 1200 resolution and a 90 Hz refresh rate, making it perfect for gamers who want smoother visuals and a larger screen. The refresh rate is ideal for action-packed games, providing a more fluid experience compared to the lower refresh rates of the A9 tablets. Performance-wise, the Snapdragon 695 processor and 8 GB of RAM make this tablet capable of handling more demanding games like Genshin Impact and Asphalt 9 with ease. The 128 GB of internal storage is double that of its predecessors, and with expandable memory, you'll have plenty of room for your gaming library. The 4 AKG stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos deliver impressive sound quality, enhancing immersion during gameplay. Plus, the 7040 mAh battery ensures you can game all day without interruption. The Galaxy Tab A9 Plus is a great mid-range tablet for gamers who want a balance of performance, display quality, and sound. However, it's missing cellular connectivity, which might be a deal-breaker for some users. Additionally, while the screen is good, it's still TFT LCD and not AMOLED, so it doesn't offer the deep blacks and vibrant colors of higher-end models. Overall, this tablet is perfect for gamers looking for a solid upgrade without jumping to premium pricing. At number 2, we have the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite 2024, which combines affordability and versatility. With its 10.4-inch display and 2000 x 1200 resolution, this tablet offers crisp visuals that are perfect for gaming. The included S Pen adds an extra layer of functionality, allowing you to take notes, sketch, or even map out gaming strategies. Its sleek, lightweight design in Oxford gray makes it easy to carry around. The tablet is powered by a 2.4 GHz processor and 64 GB of storage, expandable via microSD. Though not the most powerful processor, it handles casual gaming and some mid-tier titles without lag. Dolby Atmos surround sound enhances the gaming experience, especially for immersive titles like RPGs and simulations. With a battery life of up to 14 hours, you can game all day without reaching for the charger. The Galaxy Tab S6 Lite is a fantastic budget option for gamers who want solid performance without spending too much. However, its processing power may struggle with high-end games, and the 64 GB storage can fill up quickly if you install larger titles. Overall, this tablet is ideal for students and casual gamers looking for a reliable device at an entry-level price. Finally, at number 1, we have the Galaxy Tab S10 FE, the ultimate gaming tablet in this lineup. Featuring a stunning 10.9-inch display with 2304 by 1440 resolution and a 90 Hz refresh rate, this tablet ensures smooth gameplay and vibrant visuals for even the most graphically demanding games. The IP68 water resistance adds durability, making it perfect for on-the-go gaming in any environment. Powered by the Exynos 1580 processor and 8 GB of RAM, the S10 FE delivers top-tier performance for high-end titles like Fortnite, Apex Legends Mobile, and more. The 256 GB storage offers ample space for your gaming library, and the expandable memory allows up to an additional 1 TB. The included S Pen enhances productivity and creativity, making it great for gamers who also need a device for work or school. Dual speakers with Dolby Atmos provide immersive audio quality that complements its visual prowess. With a premium price tag of $519.99, the Galaxy Tab S10 FE is the best choice for avid gamers who want uncompromising performance, durability, and versatility. The only downside is its price, which might be steep for casual users. But for gamers who want the best gaming experience on a Samsung tablet, this device is unbeatable. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.